Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials so you can isolate the HDMI problem fast. First, make sure the Series X is fully powered and the TV is on the exact HDMI input, then physically reseat the cable so contacts mate. Once done, perform a full power cycle. Hold the console power down, unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in. Finally, swap to a known good HDMI 2, 0/2, one cable, and another HDMI port on the TV to rule out cable or port faults. Next, you tackle the HDMI handshake and settings that commonly block video. Turn off TV features like HDMI CC and pass-through, and temporarily disable HDR or dynamic range processing so the console negotiates a simpler mode. Then test the Series X on another TV or monitor. If that shows video, the issue is the original TV. Make sure the console is online and install any pending system firmware updates, because software fixes often resolve HDMI negotiation bugs between devices. If previous steps fail, you move to final remedies while protecting your data. Backup saves to the cloud, then perform a factory reset only as a last resort because it clears settings. If resetting doesn't help, collect your console's serial, warranty details, and contact official Microsoft support or an authorized repair center for hardware diagnosis. Troubleshooting tip: use a power sequence handshake. Turn the TV on first, then the console. This often reestablishes the HDMI handshake when connections are finicky.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.